Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. In this video, I am going to be discussing the MOMO quarterly earnings. Now, MOMO is a social media company located in China. But before I begin, my name is Marvin, and remember I do videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. But now let's take a look at the quarterly earnings that MOMO presented today. And as you can see in the earnings, MOMO beat the EPS and the revenue. MOMO beat the EPS by 19 cents and it beat on the revenue by 38.85 millions. Their revenue year to year is over 64%. So those were impressive numbers. Let's take a look more in detail about the numbers. And as you can see, the monthly active users is over 18%. The total live video service revenue is up over 75%. The value added service revenue is over 62%. The only negative is the cost and expenses is over 65%. So those were impressive numbers. Now when the company had the conference call, we saw that the net revenue increased over 64% year over year, and the monthly active user is up over 103 millions through March 2018. And that is good when you compare it to 85 millions that they had in March 2017. And MOMO was one of those companies that had a really bad second half in 2017. We saw that the stock price was at one point around $46. However, during the second half, it moved down all the way to the low 20s. Now, one of the news that MOMO announced in May 11 is that MOMO acquired a dating app called Tantan, and MOMO acquired the company for about 5.3 million Class A shares and around 600 million in cash. And that should help the company diversify besides the live streaming service. Now let's take a look at the stock charts. And the first one we're going to take a look is the daily stock charts. Now obviously the company is going to be overbought, and you can see the RSI is over 77 and it has a support around the $37 price. However, at this moment the share price is around 44. And as you see, the volume has been steady in the last few months, except when the company has reported earnings. Now since December up to this point, the company has gone up over 96%. And today the stock market didn't have a good day. But now let's take a look at the weekly stock chart that is going to give us a better look for the company. Now for the weekly stock chart, we can see that the RSI is not even close to being overbought. However, there's a huge resistance around the price of $46. And if the company breaks that resistance, which I think they will, the company is going to go up over the $50 price. And as you see in the stock chart, it has a long-term support, and the long-term support at this moment is around $37 price. Just be patient if you plan to invest in MOMO. But now let's take a look at the fundamental analysis. And as you see, the share price is almost $45, and at this moment the market cap is over 9 billion. And it has a price to earning at this moment of around 29. However, the forward price to earning is around 15. You can see the profit margin of around 24 and the operating margin of around 27. And you see the quarterly revenue growth of around 57 and the quarterly earning growth of around 16. So it is a growth company. In terms of its balance sheet, it has around 1 billion in cash and it has no debt. Now in terms of the year-to-date performance, MOMO has gone up over 83% in 2018. That is a huge change when you take into account MOMO was in the low 20s in the last quarter of 2017. And I wish that I had bought shares in the low 20s, but I ended up buying shares when the company share price was around $31 back in September of 2017. And if you plan to invest in MOMO, just keep in mind that the MOMO shares have been very volatile during the last few quarters. As far as me, the company was impressive during the quarterly earnings. And with that said, that is gonna be everything for this video. Leave in the comment sections below if you have shares in MOMO or other Chinese companies. And remember, I do videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. I want to thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.